tap her husband, James. Now, James dropped off his laptop, about a week and a half ago with the Nerd Squad. We'll call them the Nerd Squad, but you know what I'm talking about. And they said it would be ready in a few days, and it's not ready. So she wanted me to call and screw with him. So I call as someone from that Nerd Squad and pay close attention to how I screw with him when I put him on hold.
Oh, you know what? When we do these put them on hold bits during the phone taps, they're the funniest thing. All right, let's see what happens in Dave Brody's phone tap. Listen to it.
Hello?
James?
Yeah.
Hi, James. This is Malcolm from... No,
Yeah.
you left a couple of messages. I got some Post-it notes here that say you called.
Yeah, you got my computer. You told me it was going to take 2 to 3 days. We're going on 2 weeks here.
Yeah, I know. But we told you when you called last week that there's more problems with your computer than we thought. There's a lot of adwares, a lot of spyware. You know, I mean, these things take time.
Look, I don't know about all that. You didn't tell me that. You gave me the free, whatever that is, free diagnosis.
Right.
And you said you just needed to fix a few things.
Right.
That's 2 weeks.
All right, I'm really, really sorry, sir. I don't know what to say. I'm really, really sorry.
Sorry doesn't help me, to be honest with you. I mean, all my on that. People's lives are on the computers now.
Hold on, I got a customer. Hold on 1 second. Sir, I'm really sorry. Hold on.
Yeah, it is so late, but we ain't sorry. Cause we're busy, we screw everybody. We let you down, but it's too late to say we're sorry now. I'm not just trying to get you back on me.
You're not sorry. The song you're playing.
I don't know what you're talking about. We have
got me on hold. Anyway, look. Let's just get my computer situation.
We're hoping to have your laptop ready by next Thursday. Does that work for you?
No. 2 or 3 days. Now it's going to be 3 weeks.
Yeah, well, we got to install a new operating system.
You guys are ridiculous. You're supposed to be geniuses or something.
Hold on, I got another call. Hold on 1 second.
James, you can't turn back time to the good old days when your laptop worked, but it's cheap, so now you're stressed out.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Okay,
Okay,
so that was about my laptop.
I'm sorry.
This is about
what?
The song that you're playing when you put me on hold. Are you just with me? Or you with everybody like this?
Are you getting very upset, sir, and you're getting a little rude to me? I don't know what you're talking about. I put you on hold.
You have my computer. Now you tell me it's going to be 3 weeks. All right, look. Okay. Go ahead. Tell me what you're going to tell me.
Okay, we have to reinstall the operating system. I don't know if you look at porn on your laptop, but there's adware and...
Doesn't matter what I look at on my laptop. Okay? You guys fix it. That's all that matters.
Let me go talk to my manager. Let me see if I can get a rush job on your... Hold on a second.
Talk to your manager. What do you mean you go talk to your manager? Don't put me on hold.
All right, hold on 1 second.
Work. Your laptop doesn't work. James acting like a jerk. Your laptop doesn't work.
Okay, my manager says I can give you 20% off.
Now you just fool me with these songs.
We have a generic Muzak system.
Hey, don't fool me. That song is finished. They said my name. My name. About my laptop and my name. Who the do you think you're with here? This is what you guys do with your spare time? Why don't you work on my laptop instead?
Let me talk to Ahmed. He's working on it. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, Ahmed said you could probably have about... What?
Be your manager on the phone. Play these songs for him. Say, play me when you put me on hold.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm going to come down and I'm going to start kicking people's asses. What's your name again?
What if I were to give you 60% off and put your wife Alice on the phone?
You think this is some kind of a show?
Yeah.
What the
The good news is this is just a phone tap. You're on Elvis Duran in the Morning Show.
What is going on here?
Alice actually got your laptop back yesterday, and she'll have it for you when you get home from work.
That and a margarita, because you need one.
Anything you want to say to your wife?
Yeah, I'll say it in private.
That was awesome.
Wow, yeah, that was cool.
Can you imagine?
They said my name. I heard my name.
Having your own custom music calling you out on hold. That was great, Brody. That was
Thank
awesome.
you, Elvis.
That's called, putting a little homework into it.
Yeah.